Well, so as of yesterday, I read this book called Three Steps to Darkness by Deepta Roy Chakravarti. Now, these three steps to darkness is basically essentially it's like you know, more than, yeah, it's 100-page book, and it's about these three kind of stories that are true to life, apparently. One is about this childless couple who during a holiday in Thailand, they are contacted by this lady, this a shaman, who seems like a shaman from Thailand, or and apparently those people, this it's a I guess it's a cult in Thailand where they can, infuse life into a doll. So the lady gives them a doll. Like this couple has suffered a miscarriage, and so the lady says that the spirit that was to come to them is now going to be in this doll. So it's very when you read this book, right? It's Three Steps to Darkness. The writing is also very rich, so. And there's this place in somewhere in the mountains called Pari Tibba, or some place like that. Ruskin Bond mentions this place a lot. So it's said to be a whole dense jungle, and even there apparently Pari is fairies, right? So there are these fairies or these beings from a higher higher dimension who are there, and it's very fascinating. So this book is called Three Steps to Darkness, and you can find it on YouTube. I was saying you can find it on Amazon. So as always, it's a good book. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.